Look at this. I just gave the AI a few random selfies of my friends, and it instantly turned them into a professional group photo, like we were all in the same office. Now, check this out. Here's a car in white, and with one click, I made it red, then black matte, then silver. And here's me in a blue shirt, now in green, then black, then even golden. All of this done in seconds. Today, I'll show you exactly how you can do the same. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal the AI tool behind all of this. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's start with the most mind-blowing feature, group photos. Normally, to get a proper family or office group photo, you need everyone in one place, a professional camera, and usually a photographer. But with this AI, all you need are separate pictures of each person. Example 1. Family photo. Upload individual selfies of your cousins and say, make a family photo in front of mountains in northern Pakistan. Everyone's smiling together. Now, while the AI is generating, let me explain why this is powerful. Maybe your family members live abroad and can't visit often. Or maybe you missed out on Eid or a wedding group photo. With this, you can still create a memory that looks real and natural. Now, while it's generating, let's compare. A professional photographer charges $200 to $500 for just one session. If someone can't attend, the photo is incomplete. Editing them in with Photoshop takes hours and rarely looks natural. But with AI, all you need is 10 seconds and a good prompt. This is perfect for LinkedIn, company websites, or pitch decks. Imagine saving thousands every year on company photo shoots. Example 2. Office team. Upload your staff's photos and ask, create a formal corporate group photo in a studio, everyone wearing suits. While it generates, think about this. Usually a professional photo shoot costs anywhere from $200 to $1,000, depending on your country. With AI, it's completely free and you can redo it as many times as you want. Example 3. Friends. Hangout. Upload selfies of friends and ask, make a casual group photo at a coffee shop, everyone laughing together. By the time the AI finishes, you've got a photo that looks like a real outing. Color transformations. Now let's move to another amazing feature, changing colors instantly. Example 1. Clothes. Upload your picture and ask, turn my white shirt into navy blue. While it loads, think about it. You can try 10 to 15 outfits virtually before even buying a single one. Perfect for online shopping. Example 2. Cars. Upload your car photo and test colors. Show this car in metallic red, matte black, and silver. While the AI works, here's a cool tip. Car dealers sometimes charge extra just to preview color wraps. Now you can do it yourself, instantly. Example 3. Interiors. Upload your living room photo and ask, change sofa color to beige and walls to sky blue. While it generates, imagine how this helps interior designers. They can test wall colors, curtains, and even furniture styles before buying anything. By the time the AI finishes, you don't just see one design. You can create hundreds of variations in a few minutes. Creative fun ideas. Okay, now let's get creative. Example 1. Background swap. Upload your selfie and say, place me in front of the Eiffel Tower. While it works, here's the fun part. You can also try northern mountains, beaches, or even futuristic cityscapes. Example 2. Event posters. Take a photo of your team and ask, make this into a tech conference poster. Perfect for startups or school projects. Example 3. Fantasy mode. Upload your photo and ask, turn me into a medieval knight in armor. While AI generates it, you can even think bigger. Superheroes, astronauts, anime characters. Literally, your imagination is the only limit. So, what's the secret tool making all this happen? It's Google Gemini. Gemini isn't just a chatbot, it's also an insanely powerful image generator and editor. You upload your photos, describe what you want, and Gemini creates it in seconds. From family group pictures to car color changes, outfit makeovers to fantasy edits, Gemini makes it all effortless. And yes, you can try it for free right now. So there you have it, a complete guide to creating exact customized images with AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to 99 Reviews for more powerful AI tools and tutorials. Because here we don't just review tech, we help you unlock its full power.